Welcome back, guys. In this video, we will explore 10 best air defense systems in the world and how air defense systems work, their types, capabilities, key technologies, and why they are essential for protecting modern nations from aerial threats. And if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to like, share and also subscribe to the channel. That's been said, let's start the video. At number 10, we have HQ-9. The HQ-9 is a long-range surface-to-air missile SAM system developed and designed by the China Academy of Defense Technology. It provides strategic air defense for critical military and civilian assets. The system has detection range of about 250 to 300 kilometers and engagement range of 125 to 200 kilometers, depending on the variant, with intercept altitudes up to 30 kilometers. It uses inertial navigation with data link guidance during mid-course flight and active radar homing in the terminal phase. Its capabilities include engaging fighter aircraft, AWACS, UAVs, cruise missiles, and limited ballistic missile threats. Technologically, it features phased array surveillance and fire control radars, high-mobility launch platforms, and strong electronic countermeasures (ECCM) for operation in contested environments. Its overall capability is often compared to modern Western long-range air defense systems. The Arrow-3 air defense system is an advanced exo-atmospheric ballistic missile defense interceptor developed jointly by Israel and the United States, led by Israel Aerospace Industries. It is designed to destroy long-range ballistic missiles during their mid-course phase in space. Arrow-3 has detection range of approximately 900 kilometers and interception range exceeding 2,000 kilometers and at the altitudes of approximately 100 kilometers. The interceptor uses inertial navigation with mid-course updates and a dual-mode infrared seeker for terminal guidance, employing hit-to-kill technology. Technologically, Arrow-3 features lightweight maneuverable kill vehicles, advanced green pine radar, network-centric battle management, and strong electronic countermeasures (ECCM). The Iron Dome air defense system is a short-range air and missile defense system developed by Israel, led by Rafael Advanced Defense Systems. It was designed to counter rockets, artillery shells, mortars, UAVs, and cruise missile threats. Iron Dome has detection range of approximately 100 kilometers and engagement range up to 70 kilometers. It uses inertial navigation with command guidance and an active radar proximity fuse in the terminal phase. The system's capability lies in its selective engagement, intercepting only threats head toward populated or strategic areas. Technologically, Iron Dome integrates Jan.2026 AESA multi-mission radar, advanced battle management and control systems, rapid reaction launchers, and high interception accuracy even during saturation attacks. The Barak-8, also known as LR-SAM, Mr. SAM, is a modern surface-to-air missile system jointly developed by India and Israel, led by DRDO and Israel Aerospace Industries. It is designed to defend naval and land assets from aerial threats. Barak-8 has detection ranges up to 470 kilometers and engagement range of 70 to 100 kilometers, depending on the variant, with high maneuverability. The missile uses inertial navigation with mid-course data link guidance and active radar homing in the terminal phase. Its capabilities include intercepting fighter aircraft, helicopters, UAVs, cruise missiles, and sea-skimming targets. Technologically, it features AESA multi-function radars, vertical launch systems, network-centric command control, and strong ECCM capability. The Aster 30 is a long-range surface-to-air missile developed by France and Italy under the EUROSAM consortium, led by MBDA. It is used in naval and land-based air defense roles. Aster 30 has detection range beyond 350 kilometers and engagement range of up to 120 kilometers. The missile uses inertial navigation with mid-course data link updates and active radar homing in the terminal phase. Its capabilities include engaging fighter aircraft, UAVs, cruise missiles, and short-range ballistic missiles. Technologically, Aster 30 features the advanced PAF thrust vector control system, vertical launch capability, high agility, AESA radars, and strong electronic countermeasures (ECCM) for multi-target defense. The Patriot PAC-3 is an advanced air and missile defense system developed by the United States, led by Raytheon and Lockheed Martin. It is designed primarily for ballistic missile, aircraft and cruise missile interception. The PAC-3 interceptor's detection range varies, but is generally sighted around 100 to 170 kilometers for aircraft, with newer upgrades extending capabilities, and has engagement range of about 35 to 45 kilometers against ballistic missiles and higher against aerodynamic targets. It uses inertial navigation with data link updates and active Ka-band radar homing for terminal guidance, employing hit-to-kill technology. Its capabilities include high-altitude, high-precision interception, rapid reaction, and simultaneous multi-target engagement. Technologically, it features a NMPQ-65 phased array radar, network-centric command control, high maneuverability interceptors, and strong ECCM performance in dense threat environments. The David Sling air defense system is a medium to long-range missile defense system jointly developed by Israel and the United States, led by Rafael Advanced Defense Systems and Raytheon. It is designed to counter tactical ballistic missiles, heavy rockets, cruise missiles, and advanced aircraft. It has detection range up to 250 to 300 kilometers and engagement range of approximately 40 to 300 kilometers, bridging the gap between Iron Dome and Arrow systems. It uses inertial navigation with data link updates and a dual-mode seeker combining active radar and electro-optical guidance for high accuracy. David's Sling capabilities include hit-to-kill interception, high maneuverability, and multi-target engagement. The system features Jan.2026 AESA radar, network-centric battle management, advanced seekers, and strong electronic countermeasure (ECCM) capability. The THAAD, Terminal High Altitude Area Defense System, is a strategic ballistic missile defense system developed by the U.S., led by Lockheed Martin, and operational since the late 2000s. It is designed to intercept short and intermediate range ballistic missiles during their terminal phase. THAAD has radar detection range exceeding 1,000 kilometers, with some reports suggesting up to 1,800 kilometers, and interception range of approximately 200 kilometers, at the altitudes up to 150 kilometers. It uses inertial navigation with GPS updates, and infrared homing seeker for terminal guidance, employing hit-to-kill technology without explosives. Its capabilities include exo and endo-atmospheric interception, rapid deployment, and integration with other air defense layers. Technologically, THAAD features a NTPY-2X band radar, network-centric command and control, high accuracy, and strong electronic countermeasure (ECCM) performance. Guys, if you are liking video so far, please like the video and also not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks. Let's continue. The S-400 Triumf is a long-range air defense missile system developed by Russia, designed by the Almaz Anti-Air and Space Defense Corporation. It provides layered defense against a wide spectrum of aerial threats. It has detection range of approximately 600 kilometers, and engagement ranges from 40 kilometers to 400 kilometers, depending on the missile type, and can intercept targets at altitudes up to 30 to 35 kilometers. It uses inertial navigation with radio command guidance and active or semi-active radar homing in the terminal phase. Its capabilities include engaging fighter aircraft, stealth targets, UAVs, cruise missiles, and ballistic missiles. Technologically, it features multi-band AESA radars, network-centric command control, high mobility launchers, and strong ECCM capability. And now finally at number 1. It's none other than the mighty Russian S-500 Prometheus. The S-500 Prometheus is a next-generation air and missile defense system developed by Russia, designed by the Almaz Anti-Air and Space Defense Corporation. It is intended to counter advanced aerial and space-based threats. S-500 radars can detect targets at up to 2,000 kilometers and has an interception range of up to 500 to 600 km, at the altitudes exceeding 180 km. It uses inertial navigation with radio command mid-course guidance and active radar homing in the terminal phase. The system's capabilities include intercepting hypersonic weapons, intercontinental ballistic missiles, low-orbit satellites, stealth aircraft, and cruise missiles. S-500 features next-generation AESA radars, space tracking sensors, network-centric command systems, high-speed interceptors, and advanced electronic countermeasures (ECCM) for strategic air and space defense. And there you have it, 10 best air defense systems in the world. And if you all like the video, please like, share, and also do not forget to hit that subscription button. See you all again in the next video. Till then, you can also watch other videos from the playlist above. Thank you. Bye-bye.